Hi friends, it's Miss Renee here with your Preschoodles digital story time. I'm going to read 10 Apples Up on Top by Dr. Seuss, writing as Theo Lesage, illustrated by Roy McKee. That means that Roy McKee drew the pictures for this story. 10 apples up on top. 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look, you! I can do it too. He's got 2 on top also. Look, see, I can do 3. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good they will not drop. 5, 6, 7, fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. And now see here, 8 on top. 8 apples up, not 1 will drop. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. 9 is very good, but then, come on, and we will make it 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples up on top. The end. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Have a great day.